Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 21st, 2024, and we'd be going up at the market right now. What do we see? H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot, H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside, H pattern, moving average bounce, 555, slingshot. We'd be expecting the price to come back to the high of the day and perhaps go farther, but that'd be about a 60-75 cent run initially. If it gets past there is a potential that it'll go a full dollar. Well, I have a meeting I need to attend, so we'll come back around and see how this setup developed. Alright, coming back, as you can see that the price exploded past this area, came off a little bit, went up higher, so this would be our 75 cents to $1 area, and we finished the day out with going better than $1 if you were to manage this all the way up until towards the end of the day.